Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right edition and admin rights. Once confirmed, start now. Open Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Remote Desktop. This is the single built-in path. Turn on Remote Desktop using the toggle and accept the prompt. This registers the service and opens required firewall rules. Make sure the network is set to private so discovery works. Note the PC name shown. You will use it to connect, and keep an administrator account ready for authentication. Once Remote Desktop is on, configure who can connect. Click Select Users, add specific accounts. This limits exposure. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled. This forces credential checks before a session starts, improving security. If you must change the default port 3389, edit the registry at hklm/system, /current control set /control /terminal server /winstations /rdp tcp, but be careful. Changing ports requires matching rules in the firewall. Confirm your chosen port and user list before testing a connection. You're almost done. Test a connection from another device using the PC name or IP. For local checks, use 127.0.0.1. If connecting over the internet, set router port forwarding for port 3389 to your PC's IP and use a static local IP or DHCP reservation. Once done, verify the remote desktop service is running and firewall rules exist. If it fails, first check that NL.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.